Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to install the Tusk quick draw air filter system on your late model YZ or WR 4-stroke dirt bike. This is going to help improve performance, and how it does that is increasing airflow. So on the inside of this air filter, you've got a flame retardant foam layer, and that makes it so you can eliminate that stock backfire screen. So this is the billet cage we're replacing that with, and you're just going to get better airflow with this. You also have better sealing for the air filter and more surface area, so it's not going to gum up quite as fast. So with all that being said, it's pretty simple to install. Let's go ahead and get started. The quick draw air filter system comes with the cage, and then you have the option to get this with either 1, 2, or 3 air filters. Each filter is going to come with a pair of rubber gloves, and we have replacement filters available for this kit as well. Now, the air filter oil does not come in the kit. You're going to have to buy that separately, so make sure you have some of that. If you need any of this stuff, you can find it on our website or just click the link in the description below. To start out, we're going to remove our air filter cover. So we're popping the seat up, pull the hose back. We've got that quick release. And then the 2 tabs in each corner of this cover. After that, you want to remove the seat. That's going to give you access to all of the bolts in your shrouds. Then we're going to use an 8mm T-handle and remove both shrouds. Then you have 2 screws going into this plastic hinge mount for the cover. We'll go ahead and remove that. Now we can remove the air filter just like you normally would. Push these 2 tabs to the side, pull that out of there. Now we can take out this restrictive backfire screen by removing the screws all the way around it. And as you remove this, just make sure that all this area is clean. You're going to want to wipe around it if it's not, just because you don't want any dirt or debris falling down your intake tract. After that, you want to take a second to wipe off the air box and make sure the sealing surface is clean and that you have absolutely no dust or debris down inside of here. And a pro tip to help prevent any hardware dropping down the intake tube is to take a rag, cover that up, then leave a little on the end so you can easily pull this out once your new base plate is installed. The new base plate has the groove for that seal in the air box. We're going to set that in place and then reuse the hardware we previously removed to install this. Next, you want to remove that rag. It's really important. You don't want that staying down in there. Next, we can oil the filter and install it onto the new cage. Just make sure you have this grommet pushed onto the cage. Now, bringing this back over to the bike, we're going to line up this cutout, line it up with the tab in the base plate, set the filter on, just make sure it's squared up, and once it is, you can install that screw. Then as soon as that screw touches the gasket, you just want to tighten this down, go a few more turns until it's snug, and you're good to go. Now, to reinstall the hinge panel, you've got this tab. There's a little slot in the back of the air box that this needs to clip into. Then we'll reinstall those screws, the shrouds. Next, we have the seat and our air filter cover. That's all it takes to get this restrictive backfire screen out of your late model YZ or WR 4-stroke dirt bike. We'll get that thing out of here. We don't need it anymore. And hey, if you had any questions about the install process for this Tusk quick draw air filter system, leave those down in the comments. If you need to pick one up, they're available on our website. Just click the link in the description below. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ETVMC. Thanks for watching.